At number 1, we have the YESWELDER 135A MIG Welder, the ultimate budget-friendly 3-in-1 solution. Get gasless flux core, stick, and lift TIG welding for around just $109.99. Featuring advanced synergic control and a crisp LED display for effortless, precise adjustments. Delivering a strong 135A output, it handles mild steel up to 332 inches thick for flawless results every time. And at just 11.4 pounds, this lightweight machine goes wherever your project takes you. Plus, you get bonus flux core wire to get started right away. Perfect for DIY projects, auto repair, and hobbyists. The YESWELDER 135A is the smart choice for any workshop.
At number 2, we have the YESWELDER 160A MIG Welder, priced at about $179.99. This 4-in-1 multi-process welder offers more power and dual voltage capability. It handles flux core MIG, gas MIG, stick, and lift TIG. The 160A output even supports more demanding projects on thicker materials. Its smart synergic control automatically adjusts voltage and wire feed speed, paired with a large LED display for precise control. While manual controls may feel complex for absolute beginners, it rewards users with versatility and reliability for hobbyists or serious home workshops. A strong upgrade for those needing extra power and flexibility.
At number 3, we have the AZZUNO 130A MIG Welder. At just $66.49, this ultra-affordable flux core welder is perfect for total beginners and light-duty jobs. It features automatic voltage and wire speed adjustment for easy setup, a 130A output capable of welding up to 3mm mild steel, and an extremely lightweight 8.6 lb build for maximum portability. It's ideal for small household repairs and DIY projects, but may struggle with heavier materials. If you're on a tight budget and need something simple and effective for basic tasks, this is an unbeatable starter choice.
At number 4, we have the BESTMIG 135A MIG Welder. This $109.99 3-in-1 welder stands out with its comprehensive kit, great for beginners needing safety gear right away. It offers true 135A output for materials up to 108 inch thick and an LED display for easy monitoring. The included accessories make it a ready-to-use package for MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding. While it lacks a dedicated TIG torch, it's a fantastic value for comprehensive home or workshop use. Don't settle for an ordinary welder. Get the BESTMIG 135A for superior results and unbeatable value. The BESTMIG 135A, your all-in-one solution for power, precision, and value.
At number 5, we have the Bestarc 145A MIG Welder. This versatile 3-in-1 welder handles gasless MIG, lift TIG, and stick welding for stainless and carbon steel. With advanced synergic control, it automatically matches voltage and wire feed speed, simplifying operation. The clear digital display provides all the essential information at a glance for precise control. It comes with a complete accessory kit, including the MIG torch, welding wire, ground clamp, and more. Priced around $79.98, its well-rounded capabilities make it a great all-purpose machine at an attractive price.